This video shows you how to change the system language on your 2014-2017 Lexus NX200t, including screen, voice, and navigation settings. Note that this model's infotainment system is older, so features are limited compared to newer cars. No software updates have been issued since its release, and this applies only to 2014 through 2017 models. First, start your Lexus NX200t. Once the infotainment screen is active, locate the Setup button on the center console. Press this button to access the main settings menu. Within the Setup menu, look for an option labeled General or System Settings. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your specific model and region. Use the touchscreen or the Lexus Remote Touch interface to navigate to this section. Once in General or System Settings, find and select the Languages option, or Lang if the system is already in another language. This opens a submenu where you can adjust the different language settings. In the Languages menu, you'll see options for display language, voice language, and navigation language. Select the specific language you want to change. A list of available languages will appear, typically including English, Spanish, French, and German, among others. After selecting your desired language, confirm your choice. The system may prompt you to restart for the changes to take effect. If so, turn off the ignition and then turn it back on. This soft reboot ensures the new language is fully applied. If you encounter common issues like the language not changing or the system freezing, there are several steps you can try. These problems affect about 12% of 2015-2017 Lexus NX200t models due to outdated software. First, try a simple restart. Turn off the ignition completely, wait 30 seconds to allow the system to reset, then turn it back on. This soft reboot often resolves freezing or language glitches caused by temporary software issues. For persistent problems that a restart can't fix, such as navigation language mixing or complete system failure, take it to a Lexus dealer. They can run diagnostics and perform a professional reset, which often costs around $150 and fixes issues like corrupted settings. If you want more modern language options, consider an aftermarket stereo upgrade. Android-based systems provide extensive language support and better compatibility with current smartphones, unlike the NX200t's outdated system. Professional installation is recommended. Before making language changes, keep in mind that the NX200t's system is outdated compared to newer vehicles. The NX200t's infotainment system is outdated and lacks modern features. Unlike newer vehicles, it does not support over-the-air updates for software improvements. The system offers fewer language choices than current Lexus models. Voice features may not work properly in all selected languages. For safety, make language changes only when the vehicle is parked. These considerations highlight the system's age and original design constraints.